I was able to achieve this budget-friendly sleek ponytail using just one pack of braiding hair, and this is the full look. If you want to see how I was able to achieve this, then watch this video to the very end. So an event just came up unexpectedly. You have somewhere you need to be within the next hour. You're just confused and wondering what to do with your hair. Well, this video is going to take care of all that. You are going to be leaving the house with a very sleek ponytail with whatever length that you desire, and it is so budget friendly. So budget friendly. This is a very easy and quick hairstyle that anyone can make. You can do it yourself. I used just one pack of braiding hair, and that is all you need for this hairstyle. Rather than using a hairband, I'm using thread because this is going to give me that snatched look. It's going to give me that long-lasting effect. All you have to do is double your thread. Make it like 4, 5, 6. Yeah. All I did here was part my hair into 2 sections and braid it down. Don't overthink it. It doesn't have to be neat or perfect or anything. Then I just crossed each over to the side and secured with a rubber band. That's it. We'll be using Eco Styling Gel, even though it doesn't hold my hair down, but it is a moisturizing gel. It just helps to add more moisture to my dry hair. So I'm going in with that first before going on to use my hair wax. Now this hair wax is what is going to lay my hair down. If you have other product recommendations that you would want me to try out, do let me know in the comments. But so far, hair waxes have always been my go-to when it comes to styling my hair, especially in a ponytail or a high bun or a high puff. Hair waxes always do the trick for me. So girlies, this is the point where you go and do your makeup. When you have laid your hair, you secure that with a scarf and then you go do your makeup, because now you have allowed your hair enough time to dry and stay in place. So makeup is done and we're using the Lush hair, and this should be the small pack. We're just using one pack, and I was just checking the length to see if I was okay with cutting or not cutting, and I ended up not cutting this hair. I did not cut this hair, and I also did not pick this hair pay close attention to how I was able to attach my hairband to the braiding hair. I'm going to add some shine to the hair by using a hair grease. You're free to use whatever hair grease that you have at home. I didn't pick this hair, and I don't know if that made so much of a difference. If you have tried this hairstyle and you picked the hair, please let me know in the comments how that turned out for you. I didn't want to pick the hair because it was time consuming, 1 and 2. I didn't want to get hair all over the house, and I felt like we could just wing it. So I had to trim the ends, give it a little trim so you can have a sort of balanced look, and then secure the top with a rubber band. This is very important so that your hair isn't just falling all over and just, like just falling around. It is very important. So attach this to the hair, and you are almost done at this point. Get you some bobby pins. This is what will help to secure that hair so that it doesn't keep moving around and just falling around. Now, after taking some piece of the hair and wrapping around, we are just going to smoothen everything out. Now look at that sleek look. Look at that sleek ponytail. This is unbeatable. This look is a 10 any day, anytime. It is a 10. Now, of course, we're going to brush down that hair because we want it to look fine, because we want to look good. I'll go in with some hair mousse just so that it isn't just scattered and just flying around. It's just to make things a little bit more secure, given that we are using braiding hair. Don't skip this part, guys. And now we are all done with this look. Would you be trying this? Let me know. Until then, bye.